Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. And this morning I'm going to fix something that I haven't fixed before. As most of you know, I'm on the keto diet. And I'm doing this because my blood sugars are really high. My A1C was 11.0, which meant that my blood sugars were running somewhere around 293. And yesterday, I've been on keto now for a little over a month, I think. And yesterday, my blood sugar was down to 128. And this morning, it was 151. But I have higher morning readings than I should. We haven't figured that out yet, why that's happening. But in the course of this past month, I haven't had anything sweet except my diet drinks. And I wanted something sweet, so I'm going to make a keto chocolate mug cake. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I've got a microwave safe cup. This is kind of big, but it is what it is. I'll just have to use it. Anyway, I've got inside this, I've got 2 tablespoons of salted butter in here that I've melted. I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. It melted it. Now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of almond flour in here. And I should have gotten you're just going, you can't see. I've got this. I should have gotten blanched, I guess, but I need to use this first. Alright, so here's 1 tablespoon. And here's the 2nd tablespoon of almond flour. Alright, now I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened coconut powder, and I've got cacao powder. I guess that's how you say it. I've got organic. Oh, I forgot to open this. Okay. Doesn't take long. Oh, smells so good. So cacao powder is supposed to be better for you than cocoa powder, but it's kind of like the same thing. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons of that in here. All right. And then I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of stevia, and I've got these packets that I'm going to use. I've had these for a while, so I've got to use them. Oh, I already got them out of here. Alright. So 2 packets of these should be 2 tablespoons. No. 1.5, let's see. 1.5 packets is 1 tablespoon. So I need 2 more packets. 1.5. Yeah. I guess that's right. I'm going, let's see. Is 1 tablespoon. I'm going to go on and put in 3 packets of the, if you were doing it using like Swerve or something like that, it would be 2 tablespoons of erythritol or Splenda. I don't have any Splenda. I've got the Swerve, but I haven't opened it yet, and I've opened these, so I'm gonna hope that's enough. And then 2 teaspoons of coconut flour. Alright, so I've got organic coconut flour here, and it's teaspoons of that. Alright. There's one. And there's two. Alright. And then I have baking powder. I need a half a teaspoon of baking powder. So I'm just going to do it. And that should be a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then I need a fourth of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I've got this McCormick's Pure Vanilla Extract. It doesn't have the macros or whatever on it, so I'm not sure, but I'm not going to waste it. Alright, so there's that. Alright, and then one large egg. Alright. And now it says to mix this really well. And when I was growing up, my grandma always kept pound cakes there. And every morning when they got up, they would eat a piece of cake and drink a cup of coffee. And I don't drink coffee. But if I do drink a cup of coffee or whatever, I do like, I don't know, I guess it came from them, but I do like a piece of cake or something with it. And being on keto, you can't eat that. Alright, so this looks like it's all mixed up. Let me make sure, go around all the sides. On the bottom. Alright. Put this over here. And now I'm going to put this in the microwave. You can see I'm going to put this in the microwave for, I'm going to do 70 seconds. And I'll bring you back and we'll see what this looks like and tastes like. Okay, here it is. I'm not sure what it's going to taste like. Oh, wow. It is, I mean, I know you can't see that. Oh, look at this. It's just like a chocolate cake. All right. I'm going to go get some whipped cream and I'm going to put this on a paper plate just so y'all can see it, and I'll bring you right back. Oh, I love you. You sitting in your walker. Daddy's in there getting the water up out of the floor where it flooded. Flooded Grandma's floor. Yes, it did. I love you. Here's Sugar over here. There's our dog. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so here it is. I want y'all to be able to see it's exactly like a cake. Exactly. Alright, I'm going to taste this and see what it tastes like. And I just put some Ready Whip on it. It's what I put in my coffee if I do drink coffee. Wow. I want you to see. Oh, is it blurry? Yep. See how close I can get it up to you and it not be blurry. Right there, I guess. Mmm. Mmm. It tastes exactly like a chocolate cake. And I don't really like chocolate. I mean, I'm going to experiment with this and see what other kind of cakes I can make. I kind of would like a pumpkin spice or something like that. I know there's got to be some way that... that is really good. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and the recipe for this will be below. And also, look below for different things that you can purchase from me that I use on Amazon. And also, the link to my Facebook and my Twitter will be below. And so, I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.